A very good morning, students. So today we are going to see division in fundamental concept, and this is your 7th session. So first we will see division of a monomial by monomial. Okay, so the first question is divide 15xy by 5x. Clear? This is your first question. You have to divide 15xy by 5x. So this is also monomial and this is also monomial. So we will simply write the divisor in numerator and dividend in denominator. Clear? So 5 ones are and 5 3s are 15. Clear? And this x and x will be cancelled. So what will be left? 3y, and this is your answer. Look at the board. Now we will see the next question. Now let us see the next question. Your next question is minus 12a square bc, and you have to divide this with 9a b square and c square. Clear? This is your question. You have to divide 12a square bc with 9ab square c square. Clear? So again, the divisor will be in numerator. This is 12a square bc, and the dividend will be in the denominator. This is a b square and c square. Okay, so again we will do one by one. This is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, and now we will divide these terms. So a will be divided with a, and you know that a square is there, so 1a will be left from here. Then this will be divided with this, so here it is b square, so 1b will be left over here. Clear? Then c, and this is c square, so 1c will be left with it. Clear? So our answer will be minus 4 upon 3, and let's look what is left in the numerator and what is left in the denominator. So here was a square, so a is left. Then we will look in the denominator, and here it was b square, so b is left. Then c square, so c is left, and rest has been solved. So this is your answer. Clear? Take a look. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. So our next topic is, we are seeing a division of a polynomial by a monomial. Clear? Let's take a question and we will understand with it. For example, question number 1 is given 4x square plus 5x. Okay, and you have to divide it by 2x. So in case of a polynomial, we will divide each term of a polynomial by a monomial. So we will write like this: 4x square upon 2x plus 5x upon 2x. Clear? Likewise, we are dividing each term of a polynomial by a monomial. Clear? So now this will be 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, and x, then x is being divided. Clear? And one x is left in numerator. Let's see in this. So x and x will be divided. So we will be left with 2x plus 5 upon 2, and this is your answer. So I hope you have understood very clearly. Take a look, and then we are moving on to the next question of the similar part. So now our question number 2 is 8a square bqc plus 4a Now let's see the second question of dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So this long polynomial has been given to you, and this is 8a square b cube c plus 4ab square c square minus 6abc, and you have to divide it with minus 2a square bc. So we will start step by step. First, write the solution. Clear? And take each term of polynomial. Okay, let me show you. 8a square b cube c minus 2a square bc. Okay, then 4a b square c square upon minus 2a square bc. Clear? Then minus 6abc upon, then you can see here that this is minus, and here also it is minus, so minus minus will be plus. Clear? So 2a square bc. I have changed the sign in the first step only. So in order to solve this polynomial, this is our step number 1. Clear? You also do the similar way, otherwise you will face problem. Clear? Now we will start step by step from here, and what we will get, we will start writing it below. So first, this one, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, here a square is given and here also a square is given, so it will be cancelled. Then b is given in the denominator, and over here it is b cube, so one b will be cancelled from here. Then c and c will be cancelled. So we will write first minus 4, a has been cancelled, b is left, and b, so it is b square. Now nothing has been left with this part. Now let's see the second one, minus sign. Why? Because minus sign is there with 2a square bc, which is in the denominator. So now we will divide this. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. From here, 1a will be cancelled. Okay. Now 1b will be cut from here and b will be cancelled, and 1c will be cut from here and this c will be cancelled from the denominator. So let's see what has been left with us. Minus 2 will be written first, then a in the denominator. Clear? Then b is left in numerator, 1b, then c. Okay, now we will see the last one. plus 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Clear? A is cancelled from this and 1a will be cancelled from this. Clear? Then b and b will be cancelled and c will be cancelled. So what is left with us is 3 upon a. Clear? So we have got minus 4b square minus 2bc upon a plus 3 upon a, and this is your final answer. So I hope you have understood. Look at the board and then we are moving on to the next topic. Okay, so now we are starting with exercise 11D, and question number 1 is divide, first part, divide minus 16 a b square c by 6 abc. Okay, divide minus 16 ab square c by 6 abc. So this is a monomial and this is also monomial. So what we will do in solution, we will write divisor in numerator and dividend in denominator. Okay, so now let's divide. 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Clear? So now this can't be solved further. A and A will be cancelled. 1b will be cancelled from here and b will be cancelled from here, and c will be cancelled. So what is left with us? That is minus 8 upon 3 and only b is left. Clear? So this is your final answer. So I hope you have understood. Okay, take a look, then we will move on to its next part. Now let's see the next part of question 1. Okay, and that is your sixth part. Sixth part is saying that minus 50 plus 40p by 10p. Clear? So what we will do, we will take this each term, because this is a polynomial term and this is a monomial term. So how to do this? Let's take first minus 50 and divide it with 10p. Okay, and then 40p and divide it with 10p. So we have separated this. Clear? And now it will be easy for us to solve. So 10 ones are and 10 fives are 50, and 10 ones are and 10 fours are is 40. So what is left? Minus 5 upon p plus, and p will be cancelled from here, plus 4, and this is your final answer. Clear? Okay, take a look. Now we will move on to the next part. Now let's see what is next part telling to us, and this is ninth part. So question is 12x cube y, okay, minus 8x square y square, then plus 4x square and y cube, and you have to divide it with by 4xy. Clear? See, this is the question, and now you are seeing that this is a polynomial expression and this is monomial. So again we will separate each term and divide it with a monomial. So in solution, 12x cube y upon 4xy then minus 8x square y square upon 4xy, then plus 4x square y cube upon 4xy. Okay, so I have separated this. Clear? Now it will be easier for us to solve. So 4 ones are 4 threes are. Clear? X will be cancelled from here and 1x will be cancelled, y and y will be cancelled. So we will write what we have got from this part, that is 3x square. Clear? Now nothing is left. We are moving on to the next part. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Clear? X is cancelled from here and 1x is cancelled from here. Then y is cancelled and 1y from here. So what we have got actually? We have got 2xy. Clear? Now the next part, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay? X and 1x will be cancelled from here. Y and 1y will be cancelled from here. So what will be left? X y square. And this is your final answer. So I hope it is very easy for you to understand. Clear? Take a look. And we are moving on to the next question. Now let us see question number 2, first part. First part is saying n square minus 2n plus 1 by n minus 1. Clear? So this is polynomial expression and this one also a polynomial expression. So we will write this expression inside the bracket, n square minus 2n plus 1. So this is your divisor and this is your dividend, n minus 1. Clear? So see, okay, so we will take this single term and divide this single term. So what we have got, n square divided by n, so n will be left in the quotient. Clear? And over here, now n will be multiplied with 1, so we will get minus n. Clear? Now subtract this, sign will be changed. This n square and n square will be cancelled, and from here we will get minus n and 1 will come down plus 1. Okay? Now what we have to do? We will again take minus 1. Okay? And when 1 is multiplied with n, we will get minus n, and when minus 1 is multiplied with minus 1, we will get plus 1. Okay, now do the subtraction. Sign will be changed. This will be plus and this will be minus. So this and this has been cancelled. Remainder is 0 and our answer is n minus 1. So I hope you have understood. Take a look and we will move on to the next part. Now let's see the next part of question 2, and that is the third part. Third part is saying that 4a square plus 4a plus 1, and you have to divide it with 2a plus 1. Again, polynomial expression, and this is also polynomial. So make a bracket, write the divisor in the bracket, that is 4a square plus 4a plus 1. Understood? And dividend outside 2a plus 1. Clear? Take this single term and divide this single term of polynomial expression. What we will get? 4a square, this is your rough column, okay, 4a square upon 2a. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4, and a and 1a will be cancelled. Okay, so what we will get, we will get 2a. Okay, 4a square. Okay, now multiply 2a with 1, we will get 2a. Okay, now subtract this. So sign is changed. So 4a square and 4a square will be cancelled. And what is left with us? This is 2a plus 1. Okay. Now, in order to subtract this, we will multiply 1 with this expression. So plus 1, and we will get 2a plus 1. Then when we will subtract this, our remainder will be 0, and your answer is 2a plus 1. Clear? Take a look. Then we are moving on to the next part. So now our next part of question number 2 is 10th part. Okay, I'm making you to solve the difficult part of each question which I am seeing it. Okay, and if you will face any difficulty, then do ask me. So your question number 10 is 15x square plus 31xy then plus 14y square, and you have to divide it with 5x plus 7y. Okay. Now what we will do, again in solution, make a bracket, write this expression which has to be divided inside 15x square plus 31xy plus 14y square. Clear? And this expression outside 5x plus 7y. Okay. Now our initial step will be divide this single term with this single term of polynomial. So what we will get? 5 3s is 15 and x. So 3x. Clear? 5 3s are 15 and x will be multiplied with x, so we will get 15x square. So we have got 15x square over here. Now this 3x will be multiplied with 7y, and we will get 3 7s are 21, and x will be multiplied with y, so this will be xy. Okay, now subtract this, sign is changed, 15x square and 15x square will be cancelled. From here we will get 10xy and 14y square will come down. Now what will be multiplied? So 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. Clear? So 2 is the common term which is dividing this. So 2 and x is already there, so y. Clear? So 2y. Then what we will get? 5 2s are 10 and x and y, this will be xy, plus 7 2s are 14 and y multiplied by y, you will get y square. Again, subtract this, sign will be changed, this and this cancelled, 0, so your answer is 3x plus 2y. Okay, take a look. If you have not understood, please clearly see the video, stop where you are needing it, okay, and watch it clearly and then move on to the next question. Clear? So now we will see question number 3. Now let's see question number 3, and this is your final question which I am solving it on the board. Question number 3 is saying that the area of a rectangle that has been given to us, and that is 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square. So this is your area and it is in square unit. Clear? And its length is given to us, and its length 2x plus 2y unit, and we have to find its breadth. Clear? I have written this question. Why? Because you may get easy to know what the question is actually saying it. So area is being given to us, and that is 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square, and length is being given 2x plus 2y. So how to solve this? We know that area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Clear? Now we will put the value and we will solve. Now see, I have put the values. Area was 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square. Then I have put the value of 2x plus 2y, that is your length, and breadth. We have to find it out. So now you are seeing that this length value is in the multiplication in this side. Clear? When we will transpose it and we will take onto this side, the sign automatically will be changed. Okay? So here it was in multiplication, and when it will go over here, this will be in division. Okay? So we will divide this like this. Clear? Because this is a polynomial expression and this is also a polynomial expression. So 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square. Clear? And this is 2x plus 2y. Okay? Now divide. 2 3s are 6 and x. Clear? 2 3s are 6 and x will be multiplied with x, so we'll get x square. So 6x square. Clear? Now the next step is multiplying this expression with this expression. Okay? Both are monomial. So 3x multiplied with 2y we will get plus 6xy. Okay, now subtract this, sign will be changed. 6x square will be cancelled. Now see, this is minus 4xy and this is minus 6xy. So we will get minus 10xy. Minus minus plus, but the sign will be minus. Clear? And this minus 10y square will come down 10y square. Clear? Take a look. So next we have to solve this part, minus 10xy and minus 10y square. So what we will take? We will take minus 5 and y. Clear? So what we will get? Minus 5 and plus 2. When this will be multiplied, we will get 10xy. Okay, and this will be of minus again 5, which is in minus, and multiply with 2. We will get minus 10, then y multiply with y, we will get y square. Okay, and when we will subtract, the sign will be changed. So this will be cancelled and this also will be cancelled. So your remainder is 0 and your answer is 3x minus 5y. Your final answer. So I hope you have understood this exercise. If you will face any difficulty when you will get the assignment of this exercise, okay, so please do ask. So thank you for today.